Welcome to the tutorial on using the Academic Plan feature in Aeries for course registration. This new system allows for a more collaborative and transparent approach to planning your 4 years of high school. Let's walk through the steps to create and submit your plan. Using a laptop or computer, access Aeries through the SVUSD Family Portal and log on. Step 2. Under Dashboard, select Classes. Then select Academic Plan. Understanding the plan. On top of the plan, you have 3 different views: High School Graduation View, UC College Requirements View, and CSU College Requirements View. The first column you see under each view identifies the subject area and credits needed to complete the plan in that view. Your goal is to add courses until the credits needed for each subject are 0. Pre-populated courses will appear in 3 different colors: green, courses for which students already have earned credits to meet the requirements of that view; orange, courses in which students are currently enrolled; and blue, future courses students plan to take. Review the courses that currently exist in your 3 plans. For your high school graduation requirements, you can find out what you still need to do to earn your diploma. For the UC requirements, you can find out what you still need to do to be A through G eligible, as well as the CSU requirements. This is for students who want to attend a 4-year college straight out of high school. Counselors will be meeting with their students to go over questions. Make any changes to the blue courses. To change blue courses, click Subject, and then the course, and then Add to Plan. In the pop-up, verify the course, select the grade level, and choose Year Long. Click Place this course. Continue adding courses following the same process until the credits needed for each subject are 0. Helpful guidelines. 9th through 11th grade students must take 6 courses each year. 12th grade students may choose to take 5. All students must take 4 in-seat courses at THHS to be considered a full-time student. If you would like to take an out-of-bell course, you will have the opportunity to identify that during your one-on-one meeting with your counselor and technician. If you earned a D or F in a course and need to remediate it to meet your goals, do not add it to your plan. You can plan your remediation options with your counselor and technician during your one-on-one meeting. Let your counselor know if you play a sport or plan to try out for one. If you have an IEP, services are determined by the IEP team. Based on your post-graduation plans, adjust your course selections or add additional courses as needed. Considering your post-graduation goals, review and adjust the UC College and CSU College plans as needed. If you need to delete a course, hover over the course and a red trash can will appear. Click the red trash can and it will disappear. Click OK to confirm. Next step, submitting your academic plan. Once your 4-year academic plan meets your goals, click Submit My Plan for counselor review and confirm your submission. Remember, you'll meet individually with counselors to review and finalize your plan. This process will be revisited annually, allowing you to stay updated throughout your high school career. Good luck with academic planning!